Hey guys, we are back with our new video, which is about Kaziranga National Park. So let's start it. Applauded for its greater one-horned rhinoceros conservation efforts, Kaziranga National Park is located in the Golaghat and Nagaon district of Assam. The popular national park is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and houses two-thirds of the total world population of greater one-horned rhinoceros. Apart from the one-horned rhinos, the national park that sprawls in an area of 430 square kilometers also boasts high density of tigers and a large breeding ground for elephants, swamp deer, and wild water buffaloes. The national park is also recognized an important bird area, making it not only an ideal wildlife sighting destination in India but a bird watcher paradise as well. Kaziranga is regarded as one of the finest wildlife refuges in the world. In addition to grasses and forests, Kaziranga Park includes abundant cover of water lilies, water hyacinth, and lotus, bringing a beautiful scenario to the surroundings. Rattan cane, which is a type of climbing palm, also adds to the beauty of Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. Kaziranga is also inhabited by 30 plus mammalian species, out of which 15 species of animals come under the threatened category. The national park is also rich in the population of avifauna. The greater one-horned rhino or Indian rhino is the largest of the rhino species. Once widespread across the entire northern part of the Indian subcontinent, rhino population plummeted as they were hunted for sport or killed as agriculture pests. This pushed the species very close to the extinctions, and by the start of the 20th century, around 200 wild greater one-horned rhinos remained. Today, Kaziranga plays an important role in the preservation of the one-horned rhino through its strict protection and management system and brought them back from blink. Today, populations have increased to around 3,500 rhinos in northeastern India and the Terai grassland of Nepal. Though still facing threats like poaching and habitat loss, the global rhino population has increased by 30% over the past decade. Greater protections and increased effectiveness of anti-poaching, monitoring and management of wild rhino populations and support from local communities are all essential to securing the survival of rhinos. Rhinos share their homes with other valuable plants and animals. When we protect greater one-horned rhinos, we also help to protect these other species. These rhinos are also a symbol of national pride in the countries where they are found, which inspires environmental stewardship among local communities. These communities also benefit from the revenue generated through rhino ecotourism. Poaching for the illegal trade in rhino horn remains the biggest threat to the greater one-horned rhino. Although there is no specific proof of its medical value, the horn is used in traditional Asian medicines, primarily for the treatment of a variety of ailments including epilepsy, fevers, and cancer. Extensive illegal trade persists throughout Asia despite protections and bans on international trade of rhino horn. The enormous reduction in the range of rhinos was mainly caused by the disappearance of alluvial plain grassland. Today, the growing human population need for land threatens the species. Many of the protected areas where rhinos live have reached the limit of number of individuals they can support. WWF seeks to create 3 new population of at least 10 greater one-horned rhinos each in the next 5 years. The Indian state of Assam is home to the largest population of greater one-horned rhinos, with more than 90% in Kaziranga National Park. WWF helps to strengthen security measures and provide critical support for anti-poaching efforts at key sites, including Kaziranga National Park and Pobitora, and also invest in improving rhino monitoring to collect data and measure progress towards achieving rhino conservation goals, assess the reproduction health and growth rate of populations and make the right decisions to keep rhino numbers growing at a rate of at least 3%. We hope that the time is near when the one-horned rhino will be moving freely in the northern plains of India. By the way, if you haven't visited the Kaziranga National Park, then please make sure that whenever you visit India, you must visit the awesome place. Hope you enjoyed the video and gained lots of information. If you did, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And the links of our social media platforms are given in the description. Do check them out once. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.